The 4K from the side of Rich, not all the way up there yet.
Lots of folks think that until you spend a night in a really good windstorm. The wind, leaving my house on that little knob it's on, you can see. Sun, it's enough, and I'd like to live. I told my wife, it's like, one of these days, she don't want to go where she loves it, because she's driving. She don't want to get out there. One of these days you'll be up here by yourself. I'm taking the boy and the dog, and I'm
Black Mountains. My brother Tim's barn is right in there. That's his barn right there over on his land. So good distance from us, not too bad. So here is a spruce pine from Rich Knob. I'm going to zoom in, Tim, and see if I can see it. Yeah, it does.
here too. All right. Gives you a hobnobbing.
Yeah, there's the hospital. I can see the new Mosey Phillips building there, they call it. Hawksbill Mountain.
Before this got chopped up into house lots, then all this was cleared. It was all a field. And they would come up here and camp out, I think on that big rock right down there.
Yeah, he's telling me about camping out up here and saying he saw the Brown Mountain lights from here.
Yeah, looking back over at Linville that way.
There are the mines. Feldspar mine. It's a better view than what I got from Spruce Pine.
The prettiest view there are.
It is. It really is. Yeah, but you can see Roan Mountain and the blacks and everything.
About the most dramatic view of the blacks that I've ever
I was
seen.
telling Rich, I thought from the top of the hill behind your house is a pretty awesome view of the blacks too.
It's good, but the way it is up there, you look down in that big deep valley.
Yeah.
The blacks are coming up. It's just
Tim was getting me oriented. Okay, so that's Halltown Road.
Yeah,
That's Buck Stove over there.
Comes right by that patch of woods.
Used to be Ethan Allen Furniture.
All right, and the next field you see to the right of Buck Stove, that's where,
Yeah,
remember where Terry Boone and them used
sure
to live?
do, yeah.
That's that field in behind their house.
okay. So this is Old Charlie.
The difference between the
Woody
mountains and the people like they live here. You see a little double wide trailer down here, and you look at the big house above it. There's a certain economic status. Let's just say I don't fall into.
Oh, Tim's got a nice place. What do you see it? It's very nice, man. It's cool lichens on the side of that old log there.
They've not pastured it very heavy, and they've not mowed it. If this is left unattended, it'll be just another forest in a few years. You won't know the difference. Do about anything.
So does someone live in that, or is that all empty?
It's empty now. Daddy remembers when people lived in it, of course. Gene York's mama was born in that house.
Yeah, I'm just admit.
Daddy's still alive. He's about 90 years old. It's tough. You sit there and chuck fire in the fireplace.
That's actually a very nice house for what we'd had up here back in those days, isn't it? I mean, really.
Yeah. And the house me and Tony growed up in wasn't much different than that.
I told him I was in the attic most of the time when I was a kid. Bats and
When we moved in,
bees get up there, wasps.
there was no running water.
Yeah, we had
The
a
water come from a spring and it
outhouse.
run all the time. But there was no bathroom. And Daddy rigged up a bathroom in it. There was a light bulb. There was one light in the house. It just hung off a wire, you know, and you pulled a little string. And Daddy wired it and kind of fixed it up and patched it. And then my uncle's done a whole lot more work.
Yeah, he's fixed it up pretty nice.
But, you know, typically it would have been very similar to that right there.
There's about as good a view of Mount Mitchell as you're going to get, isn't it?
But that's because we were in the Appalachians. Every other region in America developed faster than right here did.